This is a Ruger padlock. It's been cut, but it still functions. I figure just, as long as that's locked in there. It's made in China. Let me see if I can focus here. Regal, made in China. Number 5015A2216. It's got a. It's probably to help prevent picking here, but you can still get into the keyway. Someone asked about my picks. My picks are really cheap. I actually just broke one too. It's a little credit card pick set, stainless. They're pretty beat. I'm no pro, so I got a new set coming in from Southord. These are the two I use the most. Here's my torsion wrench, which, has seen better days too. Just stainless. This one's pretty tough, but these are really weak. But if I was a pro, it probably wouldn't matter, but these are my two go-to tools. And the one I just recently broke was my L rake. This was one of my favorites too. And I broke it on this lock. It's a Master M15. And I have only been able to pick this once, and not on camera, and not off camera again. It sticks a lot. I think I'm going to take Bosnia and Bill's advice and soak it with WD-40. But anyway, the Ruger lock. Let's move these out of the way. Only paid $10 for that set, by the way. It's broken. I do not have a key for it. I got it from storage unit place. I stop by once in a while and see if they got any locks for me. On this one, I tried bottom of the keyway, but it makes it almost hard to pick, so I have to do top of the keyway, and then I have to single pin pick it. But see, it does still work. I am able to pick it. It is cut, but it still functions. It gives me something to practice on. I thought this was going to be a hard lock. I hadn't heard of it before, but it's actually, fairly easy to pick. But you do have to do top of the keyway. If you do bottom of the keyway, this is what happens. It binds up right here, so you can't get your pick in there. Well, you can, but it's not easy. Yeah, so that's a Ruger lock cut, spp'd. I'll never be able to use it for anything, but I didn't have a key, and I figured it was something to practice on. Don't know who makes it, though. I haven't really did much research on it yet. Sorry about the glare. Here we go. If anybody knows about this lock, feel free to post some comments. Alright? Take it easy.